In this lesson, we will discuss about concatenation. First, concatenation. What does concatenation means? Concatenation means the process of adding one type of data to the another one. So here I'm going to show you to concatenate data in Python. The first one is using the plus sign. The second one is you're going to use plus sign, and the second one is using a comma. We have the variable x and just source number 10, and we have a variable like drink, and let's say drink, and we're gonna have water there here. So let's say number equals 19.9, and let's say result and equals true. Okay, now we have these four variables, and we're gonna concatenate, or we're gonna see the concept of concatenation in Python by using these four variables. Let's concatenate by using plus sign. Let's print I. Let's print I drink plus, I'm gonna type drink. So if I run this, we will have, let's say, plus again, I drink water, full stop. So let's run this and let us see the result. Let's see the result. So where is the result? I drink, you have space, I drink water. So here we concatenate these two strings. The first string is I drink, and the second string was the value water, which is stored under drink, under the variable drink, and the third string was the full stop or the period. So we can concatenate strings using the plus sign. So let's see something right here, and if I drink like let's say x and caps of say t, maybe too much, but just for the purpose of example, let someone drink. So if I run this, you will have error. Here's the rule, because you can only concatenate string, not integer to string. So to concatenate a string with integer, with int function, you can use the second method of concatenation, that is comma, and here also you can use comma. So if I run this, we will not have any kind of problem. So you can see from this, you can understand that comma is the most powerful concatenation method, or concatenation tool. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the like button, and write your comment below, and share the video.